so you can fix the trend. All right, I want to do something.
Angel Flight 3008, contact Jack Center 125.37.
2537, 008, have a good one.
You too.
I will be able to do that someday.
Future reference,
yes.
Now we're 100% sure. So, Clenny, if it's a clear day like it is, I'm looking at Google Maps, that's why.
Yeah, okay.
But that's 95, and that is McClenny.
You mean 10?
I'm sorry, 1095.
Yeah, and we're over 301 right now.
Okay,
I know that.
so you see how it kind of bends and then starts heading that way. McClenny, that is McClenny.
Right before the dump, too.
There you go.
To 9 or down to 7.
So future reference,
For 1028, maintain 7.
you are correct, and that's 9 right. I can see you from here, my gosh.
Yep.
So, it may not be as clear a day. I just want to be sure. And if you want your VFR flight following, my advice is as a courtesy, you just say checks approach November 1100 is leaving 4,000 from VFR, leaving 4,500. You can say field in sight, and he'll switch it now. Does that make sense what I just said?
Yeah. My question is, should I do that outside of, like how far outside of the airspace should I do that?
Well, right now you're about 12 miles. You need to start descending. So,
yeah.
So here, let me just I'll just give you an example, okay? Just listen to recording later. Check approach November 1100, field in sight, leaving 4,500. Be ready for the tower switch.
Yep.
November 1100, roger, contact Cecil Tower.
November 1100, switch, good day. There you go. That's tower, and I'll give you an example call real quick. So we're going to listen. We're going to just wait. Cecil Tower, Skyhawk, November 1100 is 10 miles east, leaving 3,000, 4,000 for inbound. I messed that up.
November 1100, Cecil Tower, 4 to 4 mile final for runway 9 left.
1100, welcome. I said I was going to demo it, and then I fucked it up.
1100, just so you know, you're coming in with a little bit of static, and I can make out what you're saying pretty good, just letting you know.
1100.
4,500.
We're lining up on the right, correct?
He hasn't said yet.
Well, Ada said they're landing 9 right.
Okay.
So if I were you, I'd line up on the right.
Okay.
Downwind.
And try not to. Yeah, try not to.
Mike, from my
I see what you're saying.
Right.
I was honestly assuming left because that's where he typically puts GA.
1180, Mike.
We can confirm. Let me just do it real quick. I promise I won't mess this one up. Tower 1100, you're going to have us on the right or the left for the straight in.
November 1100. If you have a preference, just let me know, but I had you coming in for 9 left for the stop. Or are you going to be doing a taxi back or going to the FBO?
9 left 1100, we're going to do a full stop back taxi for takeoff VFR departure to the southeast.
Okay, Roger. Actually, just plan for runway 9 right. You're number 1, runway 9 right, clear to land. And I've got 1 Skyhawk in left traffic on 9 left.
1100, clear to land 9 right. There. So there, I didn't screw that up. I feel better now. And once again, my concern is it's like no transgression zone.
Right.
Where as we get, I don't even know if we're in his airspace, I got to be honest, but irrelevant. At some point, we're not in his airspace. At some point, You're going to want to stay on your side of the field.
Yeah, I believe that I'm either right on or just a little bit to the right of the right runway, so I think I'm in a good spot.
Again, like I said, we're not even in his airspace yet. That's probably why you
remember, it's at that power lines.
That's true. We did look at that.
Identified.
That's true. And this is 301. That goes into, yeah, because that's...
That's 301, yeah, it goes right to the train tracks, yep.
That's what, Baldwin. And this goes to Stark. And if you follow this to Stark... Oh, what was that?
I don't know.
Hey, turn my car to go around, make left turn.
Okay, so that guy's over the field. I don't see him, but...
Making left traffic.
So you got a guy on the left. Now I'm going to make one more comment. I'm going to let you focus. Just you're going to have your field diagram ready, because he's going to give you taxi instructions to back taxi. However you do that.
Good morning, Cecil Tower. Cirrus 888 Mike Echo is 12 to the southeast, inbound for pattern work with Oscar.
Cirrus 888 Mike Echo, Cecil Tower, come in for the right base for runway 9 right and report 2 miles.
Report the 2 mile right base for runway 9 right. 888 Mike Echo.
So I said I was going to stop, but I do have one more question. So what do you anticipate on the taxiway?
Either he's going to let me go Alpha 1 back to Alpha and come back around.
Okay, and that's what I would anticipate.
Or he'll
so it's going to be one of the Alphas, Alpha.
I'm sorry, no, I'm going the wrong way. Yeah, it'll be Alpha.
Something.
Or cross. Or he'll pull me down this way again and I'll do a back turnaround.
Because you're landing on the right. Or he's
3-6, I'm landing this way.
Oh, you're not. Oh, I'm sorry. You're right. It doesn't do that.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, thank you. I'm glad you clarified that for me. So it's going to be the Bravos. Bravo.
Right, he'll have me turn on Alpha to Bravo, or on Alpha and do a 180.
I understand. Okay. Okay. Thank you for... Yeah, I didn't realize... Well, you know what.
Yeah.
12 o'clock, 5 miles same altitude.
Cecil Tower, 1180 Mike reporting from midfield, downwind on 9 left.
November 80 Mike, runway 9 left, clear for the option. And there is Skyhawk traffic on a 4 mile final going to 9 right. You may see him when you turn base.
And your center...
clear for 9 left for the option. 9 right, 1180 Mike.
Your center line's going to be the same.
1100, that Skyhawk that's in left traffic for 9 left. As a beam the numbers, they'll be turning their base here in a minute.
As when we were on that taxi line. So to me, just so you know, to me,
Tower, November 1410.
This looks left, to me.
November 1410 Echo, Cecil Tower.
Really? Looks right to me.
1410 Echo. I got cleared by Jack's approach for the visual for 9 right. I'm 2,600 descending 10 Echo.
November 10 Echo, roger. You can go ahead and turn left base when you're ready for runway 9 right and report 2 miles.
Left base for 9 right, report 2 miles, 10 Echo. And just to let you know, 10 Echo, I'm having alternative issues, so 10.
Okay, 10 Echo, just let me know if you need any assistance and if you are just going to end up
both. Sure, got back to full rigs. Please check your seatbelt.
I don't believe I'll need any assistance
already out. Landing lights already on.
But I may need
65 miles an hour on the center line.
Okay, 10 Echo, no problem.
30.
Thank you, 10 Echo.
A little early for final.
And 10 Echo, we'd be able to get you down to the FBO a little quicker if I send you over to 9 left. It's 4,400 feet. Is that going to work for you?
Yeah, 9 left will do, 10 Echo.
Okay, roger. Yeah, just report 2 miles out from 9 left on the left base then.
2 miles out on the left base for 9 left, 10 Echo.
Hey, dear Mike, that traffic on final is just off your right side, and again, they're going to 9 right.
Copy that, 8 Mike.
In 1100 again, traffic off your left side going to 9 left.
Haha, making a tanker wait. I love it.
You got it on film too. You can show your buddies.
Runway 9 right, 27 left.
I'm fast.
Cecil Tower, November 1410, Echo, about 2 miles out on the left base for 9 left.
November 1410 Echo, runway 90 left, you are clear to land. You'll see a heavy 767 that we're going to cross over the departure in prior to your arrival.
90 left, cleared to land, look out for that 75710 Echo.
Cecil Tower, Riddle 329, we're about 12 miles to the southeast of the field. Like to request closed traffic, we have information Oscar.
1100, do me a favor, just 180 and then go back to Bravo 2, and then hold short of runway 9 right at Bravo 2.
1100, 180 to Bravo 2.
Just like
And
you said,
8
my
Mike
friend.
Echo, can you just report a 2 mile final for runway 9 right, please?
We'll go 2 mile final for 9 right, 888 Mike Echo.
Roger that, and I'll try to get you turned in a little earlier if I can. Just get somebody back tacked in.
Okay, understand. 888 Mike Echo.
You could just take off right
Cecil Tower, 10096, over top of Furlong for assumed pilot solo, requesting a transfer through airspace to the west.
10096, Cecil Tower, westbound transition approved. Cecil altimeter is 3015.
Transition approved, 96, thank you.
Cecil Tower, Riddle 329, we're about 10 miles to the southeast of the field. Like to request closed traffic, we have information Oscar.
Riddle 329, Cecil Tower, port right, midfield downwind, runway 9 right.
Right, midfield downwind, runway 9 right, Riddle 329.
Hey Mike Echo, you can start your base when you're ready. There's a Cessna on 1 mile final for 9 left, runway 9 right. You are cleared option. On the go, fly runway heading.
Okay, clear for the option 9 right, and on the go, runway heading. 888 Mike Echo.
All right. After landing checks, flaps up, arm heat in.